What's up, everyone? Don't mind my dog's fingernails on the floor, but today we have an unboxing. And this channel, I upload once every year of my most expensive purchase that I did impulsively. So as you can see, as you probably can't see, it's DHL Express Worldwide. It is an international package. As you can also tell from this channel, maybe, that I like shoes. And as you can also tell for this channel, I forgot what I was going to there. But anywho, so as you can tell from the title of the video of what I bought, I'm a little nervous. But you know what? I'm moving to Portland. I need some nice boots for the weather, even though this is suede. I need nice boots. I just need boots, okay? That's what I tell myself. So, here it is. Yes, sir. Danner. Merry Christmas to me. Am I right, ladies? Oh, this is heavy. I'm gonna say this is like 5 pounds. So, Mountain Light, size 8, because I'm a woman's size 9, and then I looked up the translation and it's a men's 8 is a woman's 9. I also have wide feet, so even if I was a 9.5, the Mountain Lights do run a half size up. So I'm pretty confident in my decision. They don't have half sizes, these boots, so good thing I didn't get a size 7. I'm nervous. Oh my god. So this is a neat box. It opens like flat. Okay. These are some hefty boots, I will have to say. They're like, they say Mountain Light, but it's like heavy. So as you can see, it's an embossed suede. Damn, this is a big shoe. I'm sorry, that's annoying, but tell me that isn't big. Tell me that isn't big. But it does say 8. So you see the rope laces. They're that muted olive green. Rivets are like a brushed. What is that? Copper? Nah. Wow, that is a hard toe. Guys, I'm not a sneaker unboxer shoe extraordinaire. I'm just telling you as it is from a consumer. Whoa. You know what's also a little odd? No footbed. Now I have to look that up. It literally looks like the footbed was just taken out. That's what, like, interesting. Got this. But no footbed. Smells good. So we got Gore-Tex. We got a Vibram sole. I love Vibram. I guess that's it. I love that little lip there. Don't mind my nails. Let's see how it fits. An on camera fitting. Damn, look at that. These materials are great, honestly. Like a glove, y'all. Like a glove. What the? Filmed on my MacBook Pro. Oh man, I really hope that this doesn't make my... Oh, that scared me, Koopy. I hope this doesn't make my feet look big. And honestly, I wish I could show you better. Maybe I can. Oh my gosh, Koopy. My toe is right here, everyone. My big toe is right here. Is that normal? Danner, comment down below if my toe is supposed to be there. Woo! Yeah. Okay, I'm back after maybe 5 minutes of walking around, looking at myself in the mirror. She's still on. I tightened it more, which is better. I think my toe is supposed to be there. I compared it to my docks. Of course, this is chunkier than my docks, but width-wise, it's pretty similar. This is it if I don't tighten that part. I don't know, I can't speak for all women or anyone else, but I personally don't like when my feet look super big because I'm already a size 9 and it's like, oh. But it's really comfortable, honestly, and I'm sure it's gonna look super good with my jeans. But yeah, big fan. Big fan of these. Any last comments? Very comfortable. Very comfortable. Worth the price? I'd say yes. Should I have done it before I moved? Probably not. However, these will last me a long time. So, thanks for watching. Can't wait to break these in. And yeah,